My name's Mike Balzan. I'm a director here at Ramp. We're an automation systems integrator in Waterloo, Ontario. We offer robust automation solutions to all manufacturing industry sectors. Our goal is to bring the most efficient and flexible solutions to our customers to ensure that they can reduce their costs and improve their operations efficiency. As a systems integrator, Ramp offers solutions that can be both lean or fully automated, highly efficient and robust. There are strong trends and market indicators that drove us to invest in this autonomous technology. Some of the major challenges with implementing technology is to do it safely and effectively. Currently in manufacturing environments, there is heavy lift truck traffic, which poses a safety risk, and by providing autonomous handling solutions, we reduce those risks. The reason that Ramp chose to work with the Omron technology is that they are the creators in this space. They have a global footprint and a proven track record based on several tests that we had conducted, assessing everyone on the market, and found that the Omron solution was the most mature and gave us the confidence that we'd be successful implementing it. The Omron product line provides a full range for end users, from small payloads at 90 kilograms to medium-sized payloads at 250 kilograms or large payloads at 1,500 kilograms. Customers benefit by the large payloads providing handling for finished goods to the shipping areas, and medium-sized payloads for intermediate prime parts. All robots work on a single fleet manager system. The fleet manager is a flexible control system that utilizes several communication protocols as well as artificial intelligence. So the total control system for the fleet would be integrated with the production system as well as the material management system. Our customers can realize an ROI of 2 years or less in most applications, depending on their operations. Could be the number of shifts that they work, number of deployments required per vehicle, their lot sizes, etc. Ramp is working with the Omron engineering team to develop future AMR products so that we can bring our customers robust, cost-effective solutions and bring them quickly to the market.